Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to find all 12 NPC quest locations in Visit from the new update. You can easily spot them by orange icon above their heads. And then first location is on the potion shop like this. The NPC standing right there. And then the second is inside the mutation cellar like this. Just go to the mutation cellar. And then just go to this NPC, this one, Diamond Researcher, who is also used to get the Diamond Road. And then next, third locations on the jungle, Ancient Jungle, just meet the Forager Gem, this one. And then next, just go to the Street NPC, this one. But for now, we can talk to him, maybe it still has a bug. And then next the locations, it's on the Kohana Island. Just go to this NPC near the shop, this one, the volcanic fisherman. And then next just near of him you will meet narwhal, this one, narwhal NPC. And then the next NPC is on the coral reef over here. You will meet the Sam NPC. And then next near of him you will meet Ram, this one. And then next at the tropical grove you will meet Cap Jack, this one. And then next location you can go to the Lost Isle and then just meet the Scuba Steve, this one. And then the next NPC is on the Christmas Island. Just meet the Leo NPC, this one. And then the last, you can get the esoteric depth and then just meet this NPC. And okay, that's it. Those are all 12 NPC quest locations in the latest Visit update. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.